Assalamu alaikum JS. Today we're going to see how to log in and reply to the questions that are asked at afzalshad.com. Type in afzalshad.com. You can directly type in afzalshad.com/ask, but if you forget that URL, you can type in afzalshad.com, and then you have got the top menu. In the top menu, you are seeing ask question over there. Got it? So click on it. Ask question. So this is basically our ask section where we're asking the question and answering it. So in the main screen, you will be seeing a lot of questions and answers that are not categorized. Any question that is asked over there is basically shared on the main page. First thing you need to do is you just need to scroll down. On the right hand side, you need to see the categories. Under the categories, there are questions related to the subjects. All these questions are basically given in the categories as well. So first category is for the business studies. There are 34 questions at the moment regarding the business studies. Second is the accounting category, and there are 11 questions regarding that category. So yes, let's click accounting for the moment and see those 11 questions that are asked. By the way, I'll keep on updating these questions as soon as these are replied by all of you. I'll keep on updating these questions. Okay, so these are the questions that are asked. So what happens in the website is, let's suppose if I select this question, what are accounting policies? And if I answer this question will move to the top over there. Got it? So if you want to answer most of the questions, so what you need to do is just try to find out the first question that is given at the end. So you will answer the question in the reverse chronological order. So first question is, what is meant by accountant? And you can see on the right hand side there are 0 votes right now, and there is one answer that is available to this question. What are accounting policies? There are 0 votes and 0 answers. So nobody has answered this question yet. So let's move on to the question number 2, that is, what are accounting policies? And let's click on it. So you'll see the complete question over there. Define accounting policies, then ignore this advertisement, explain accounting policies, and then give the real life businesses where accounting policies are applied, and then mention the website where you find this information. So this is basically the exact question, and in the hint I said that while giving an explanation of any topic, use features, advantages and disadvantages of the given term. Got it? So first time when you are seeing the question, first time you need to obviously log into your account in order to answer this question. At the end you can see register or login. First time you need to register yourself. If you have already registered, you have given your email address on this website, then you just need to log in. This time I'm going to click login. I believe that you have already registered with an account. Over here you can either use your username or your complete email address. Your username can be just like if I say I'm using the username of Afzal Shad, you are using your username like Fazal is using Fazal as a username. This process. So username is the username which you have used during the registration process, or you can use your complete email ID as well. So if I use this complete email ID and I type in my password, what happens is, and after that click on remember me and then log. Okay, soon you are logged in. You'll see under this question, you will see this box where you're going to reply with your answer. There might be some more answers above to this section, but you just need to click within this box once, and then you will see this cursor in 2 or 3 seconds that will start blinking. So how would you answer this? So in the question I asked you to define accounting policies first. So that means your first heading is going to be the definition of accounting policies. Okay, then I press enter. So how would you bold this? Just select this, all of it, click on bold, just get back. Okay, so first, what is the definition of your accounting policies? Your definition is here, like you will just type in your definition. Okay, so second heading is, I said explain the accounting policies. So second is your explanation of accounting policies, and then bold it, click on B, then type in your explanation there. Okay, so if you want to use the bullets, you can just click on this bulleted list. You can use the numbered list and then start typing in bullet 1, bullet 2 and bullet 3. If you want to remove the bullet, just press enter twice and he'll give you the normal paragraph once again. Okay, so once you have answered this question, just click on post answer. Just wait for 2 or 3 seconds so that this is updated on the website right away. And soon after your answer is posted, you will see under the question, the first answer is even like this. Got it? So this is how you're going to answer the things. Okay, let's suppose if you want to edit this answer, just click on under your answer on the lower left side. You can see this, you can see this thing. Just click on it and click edit, and then you can again edit your question. Got it? Once you click this edit, you will see another screen which will give you a complete big screen over there, then which can show you your current answer, and you can edit it and you can click on update answer anytime. Got it? Soon after you have updated your answer, what you need to do is you need to go back to either press back, and you don't need to log in every time, and just go back to the categories of accounting. So this is the accounting category. By pressing back, basically this is not updated. This is the easiest thing for you so that you can answer this next question. Click on the next question and type an answer. Click on this, type your answer, click back every time. So just type an answer, click back, type an answer, click back. It is not going to be updated because if you press back, that means the website is not updated. It will be posted, but you will see the same main page over there. If you want to see the updated page, just click on the category once again. This is the category, so just click on this category once again, and you will see that the answer which you have given is updated already on the website. So this is the answer. You have answered what are the accounting policies. So you have answered it, and one answer is given, is mentioned over there. So that's how you are going to answer the questions. If you are unable to find, or if you want to need any help regarding the answers or anything, you can ask me anytime. So that's it.